Hi, good morning. Welcome to LogoClothz and welcome to our instructional video series. In this video, Paul's going to demonstrate the process of converting a Jpeg to a vector file. It's a little bit of a lengthy process, so we may have sped some of it up for you, but you can see the whole process from start to finish. So enjoy the video.
Hi guys, Paul here from LogoClothz.com. Today I'm going to show you what's involved if we're converting your logo into a vector format. The other day we did a video explaining what a vector format was and why it is better to use for printing on a tablecloth or table runner. Up top I have a vectored logo here. It's nice and clean. Below I have a image taken from the web. It's a little bit pixelated. You wouldn't want to use this for printing. So in most cases, what people will do is go to Google, find a copy of their logo, and send it to us like that. And what I'm going to do is quickly go to the web here, grab a logo, and convert it to a vector format for you guys so you know what exactly it is we're doing. Let me just find a logo I can copy here. I'm going to drop it onto my artboard. And as you can see, it's very pixelated and blurry. We wouldn't be able to use this. Now you have a couple ways of converting this to a vectored logo. One would be to use the live trace feature in Adobe Illustrator. However, that does not always produce good results, as you can see there. So the other way we can do this is to actually redraw it. Now, I'm going to do this. We might speed up the video for you so it doesn't take forever. If you find or have another way of doing this that's faster, by all means use it or drop a line below and let us know what you did. So there we have it. The logo is now in a vectored format. I can blow this up and print it on a billboard. I can print it on a tablecloth. No matter what I print this on, the image is going to print nice and clean with no pixelation, no blurriness around the edges. Now again, there are several other ways to do this. I could have found the exact font that they use for the Chanel logo. I just find it easier to draw it sometimes. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope maybe you've learned something, and we'll see you on our next video. Have a great day.